Dear friends, today we speak about sex, a nest on a tree. Everybody is anxious and curious to know about sex. It's a golden gift that God has given to all with a purpose. Sex is attractive and beautiful. It's a means of attraction to each other. The genuine purpose of sex, intended by God the Creator, are companionship and procreation. Sex really leads to the marriage of both male and female. It reaches to the culmination of true friendship. Sex is allowed only in the circle of marriage, which is based on a genuine agreement, mutual love, underlined by a spirit of sacrifice. Sex is symbolized as a nest on a tree. Nest is a castle of a bird to lay eggs that beget the heirs of a new generation. Tree is a symbol of human body. Human body has got many organs like hands, legs, eyes, ears, and sex, etc. Each organ has got its own function and role to play in the body. Tree has got three main parts as root, stem, and branches with the flowers and fruits. Human body has got three parts like brain, heart, and soul. As we compare human body with a tree, the parts also can be compared as root to brain, stem to heart, and branches to soul. Look into the valley of life. Root and brain stands for faith. Stem and heart are for hope, and fruits and soul are for charity. Sex is the nest of human body to keep up the continuity of human race. Sex begins in brain or in thought. Man knew the good and the evil by making use of their sex. Man lost the freedom and innocence of life. Thus paradise is lost. Sex is a beautiful human organ to generate the power or energy to articulate the human relationship as companionship and to continue the human race. There is a gap of traditional moral values and contemporary interaction among people. The adolescents or grown-ups are also lacking knowledge of positive concepts and situations to protect themselves and to promote health and positive social relationships. Falling in love feeling is quite common. This attitude is only an attraction to the external inclination. It is dangerous and foolish that pertains to the manifestation of affection by kiss and embrace. Thus it becomes blind. Both will walk into the danger. When sex attraction is made in an orderly manner, according to the law of God, it becomes a help to human perfection and a means of saving and sanctifying one's soul that outlines to form a philosophy of life. When we look at sex part by part, it is made vulgar and ugly. People make use of sex to speak bad words. Thus we are perverted and became immoral. Sex is the power and life given to man. Therefore, respect and honor the sex both of male and female with modesty and nobility. Sex plays a role of a nest on a tree. That nest is made for the pleasure of safety and shelter of its kids. Thank you.